Going to see one interview question on joins. Here we have table 1 and table 2 columns ID. In these two ID columns we have duplicate values. What do you think will be the output if we inner join these two tables, table 1 and table 2 on ID? Let's find out. So in this database SQL tutorial we have two tables, table 1 and table 2 with column ID. Let me join these two tables on ID column. Select star from table 1 join table 2 on table 1 dot id is equal to table 2 dot id. Let me execute this query. So if you see here we have total 8 rows displayed. So let's understand what's happening behind this. Okay, so in this table we have id 1, so we are joining on id from table 2, so it finds a matching record id 1 and it returns the row 1. Similarly, it will go to the next row of the table 2 and find for a match. It finds the match record and then returns 1. So like that, it have matching record 2 times in the table 2, so it will return 2 rows for 1 row in the table 1. And we have 0 here, it has 2 matching rows in the table 2, so it will return 2 rows. So total we have, when we do the inner join, we have total 8 records. Let us do the left join and see the output. Left join will also return the 8 rows because it has matching records 2 times in the table 2. Let's see the output for right join. So it should give the same output for the right join because we have the matching records in both the tables for all the rows, and each row has a matching ID 2 times in the other table. Yes. Let's now see what happens if we do the cross join. Select start from table 1 comma table 2. This should give the 16 records because for each row it returns 4 rows of the other table, so 4 fours are 16. So this is one of the frequently asked interview question. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.